Hi there, my name is Sam Oliveri, and in this video I'll be explaining what cloud computing is and how it can impact you. There are three layers to cloud computing: application, platform, and infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure. This layer includes a lot of hardware devices known for hosting, for example, servers, networks, and load balancers. The advantages of this: full control over the various components of infrastructure means that you can work with the infrastructure in just about any way you desire. It also lays a fundamental groundwork for building other clouds on top of it, especially cloud applications. The disadvantages of this: sometimes more expensive compared to the other layers. If you aren't familiar with full access to infrastructure, controlling and managing could be daunting. Old hosting on a server compared to cloud hosting on a computer or server. Due to the growing popularity of a website that you are hosting, you may need to buy more servers so they are capable with the amount of demand for that website. Also, servers need to be constantly called, resulting in being more costly for you. Cloud hosting. To host websites and applications, all you need to do is pay a monthly reasonable subscription. Also, if you require more server space, you pay for what you use, which is obviously a lot cheaper than setting up more servers and paying somebody to install and maintain them. Cloud platform. Advantages: the frameworks are hosted by vendors. This means that the underlying infrastructure is controlled, updated, and managed by cloud platform vendors. Disadvantages: while offering significant more control over the development environment, because the underlying infrastructure is not available to the end developer, these developers are at the mercy of the hosting provider to ensure updates and management of the various framework stacks are fully functional, updated, and accurate. Cloud application. Each of these layers presents different qualities, advantages, and disadvantages. The most well known of these layers is called Cloud Applications, otherwise known as SaaS, Software as a Service. Essentially, at this level, consumers of SaaS get access to a predefined set of functions. An easy to understand example is Gmail. With Gmail, you get exactly one thing: the ability to manage your email in a hosted environment. It doesn't matter what server you are accessing, especially since it changes depending on when you access it and where you are accessing it from. You basically get the same functionality no matter where you go, but you can't go beyond what the application provides to you, and you have minimal control over the features contained therein. To sum up: advantages: available via a web browser, rich interfaces, frequently free or paid either by monthly usage or seat licenses. The disadvantages: little or no customization available, limited to the feature set provided. 3 reasons why cloud hosting is becoming more popular. Scalability. This means that you can basically scale as many servers to suit your needs. Whether you need 1, 2, or many servers for hosting, you can grow or shrink dependent on the demand you need. It can be used like a pay-as-you-go mobile, where you pay for just what you use. Instant. Everything is available to you when you need it. All you have to do is switch it on when you need it and switch it off when you don't. It's just like working a light switch. Save money. You save lots of money using cloud computing by only paying for what you use. You do not need to buy servers and pay somebody to constantly maintain it, repair it, and keep it up to date. Plus, if you bought servers, you can't exactly turn it on and off, unlike when using cloud computing, so you're constantly paying for its electricity and cooling of that equipment. Here are my references. Thank you for listening to my cloud computing presentation.